Are you feeling like you and your partner are more like roommates lately? Are you stressed out, burned out, and just plain out of sync? If you're longing to reconnect and refresh your bond and recover the intimacy that feels like it's drifted away, then this course is for you. You will learn the power of massage quickly in the comfort of your own home with our artful guide. Now here's the truth. Most couples avoid learning massage on a table because they think it's too expensive, too complicated, or they're worried that they'll hurt each other. But what if I told you that there is an affordable, clear, concise, and visual way to learn, and you don't need to be an expert to get started? MassaVinci Masterclass is the perfect stepping stone to improve intimacy with the power of massage. You'll discover that healing together on a massage table is absolutely the easiest way to give a massage. You don't need to crawl around on your knees in awkward positions. With the table, you truly have the ability to give a massage like a pro. With this course, you will get a step-by-step guide in 8 series for the front and back of the body to learn how to give a massage that will bring you closer, melt away stress, and deepen your connection. Plus, improve your well-being. And this is where you're going to put that masterclass into action without wasting time. Each lesson is under 15 minutes in small, digestible chunks, making it easy to learn at your own pace. You'll dive into the science of connective tissue and discover the secret to deliver pressure with informed, effective touch. Here's where MassaVinci really shines. We teach you how to move your body with ease and fluidity. We call this Flow Ergonomics. It's essential to know as it ensures you won't strain your back, your wrists, or your shoulders while giving a massage. This method teaches you the easiest ways to move so you're not worn out. Another cool thing about this course is that you'll be learning maneuvers to position your partner's body and allow you to massage from different angles. And then finally, you're going to discover the sensual sweeps, which are the core of our training. These are long, soothing, sensual strokes that will reduce tension and improve intimacy. You can say goodbye to awkward, clunky movements on the floor or couch and say hello to fluidity and ease of giving massage on a table. If you want to put all the methods together without having to go back and review a lesson, we have a practice video for you. It is called the Harmony Flow video. This is a seamless follow-along guide that helps you give your massage uninterrupted. It helps you to connect the dots and refresh your memory. You'll have the full sequence of moves all merged together in one long, harmonious demonstration. So if you're really looking to strengthen your bond, learn the art of massage with everything you need to succeed quickly, this package is an awesome deal. Why spend thousands of dollars on massage schools or private lessons? With MassaVinci, you can learn step by step with professional guidance, and in as little as 1 weekend, you can start your journey towards a deep, more intimate connection with the power of massage. Click the button and join the massage revolution today.